welcome into another woolly review, and today we have King Cole Giza Cotton Sorbet, which is a 4-ply 50-gram ball of 100% Giza mercerized cotton. There you go, that'd be a bit better for you. Approximately 175 yards or 158 meters in the colour peppermint. Not that we're here for the colour, remember that. So I have seen this the cheapest at the Wool Factory for £1.49, and it comes in 46 colours, I believe. And can I find the start? Oh, heck. This is a prize from the Woolly Wednesday, and so I've got to be careful with it because I don't want to ruin it for the winner. So I'm only going to do a small swatch. Recommended hook size is a 3.25, and I don't have a 3.25, so I'm using a 3.5. So let's work this up. Even though I'm a little bit bigger than I ought to be, it should still roundabout be the same worked up. So let's just see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And yes, it feels like mercerized cotton. It feels silky smooth. It feels nice. These skeins do come in solid colours, as well as a couple of these variegated, as this one is. But 46 colours, I mean, that's a heck of a go, don't you think? So, there we go. It's not bad stitch definition, really. Not bad. 1, 2, we're going to do a row of half doubles. And we're not here to judge lack of crochet skills on my part. Please don't. I'm just reviewing for you. In the background you can see my hanky stitch markers. Those, along with standardized stitch markers, I guess, with charms and made of metal and acrylic and resin, are on my Etsy page. If you want to go and take a look, I'd really appreciate it. The link is down in the description underneath the information regarding this cotton. Now we are going to do one row of doubles. It is blowing out a little bit. I apologise. I'm quite surprised I haven't done a review on this before, because this is one that I actually have used before, and I think even in this colouring, I think. Don't hold me to that. But yes, I noticed I hadn't done a review. I'm like, well, let's get that rectified, shall we? Good thing is, during this process, I haven't had an issue of it splitting. When working with cotton, it's a bonus. It feels okay. It doesn't feel overly soft. I expected it to feel a little bit softer with it being mercerized, but I'd more than happily wear that as a garment. Definitely wouldn't do it as a like a household thingy. What's it? Thingy. You know what I mean, right? Well, some of you do. Of course, there is no stretch there. It is cotton. And let's get that Frogger walk in. Okay. And frog on a moped. And how much kinkage? Look at the kinkage. Look at the kinkage. Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay. It feels nice. It doesn't. I've felt nicer mercerized cotton, but this feels nice. £1.49 being the cheapest that I found it. That's it. Get dressed, my dear. Get dressed. Thank you. King Cole, Giza cotton. Would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be quite annoyed if that's the only thing cotton-wise and it was, oh, I have no choice, I have to? No. Would I be, well, it's in my top 10. If I have to, I have to. Not at all. Would I be, oh, bring it on. Oh, I like that. Oh, it is in my top 3. You haven't got my top 1. Okay, no, I'll take it. I'm going to go as far as a 4.5. Now, the reason why I'm going 4.5 is because I have felt softer mercerized. I have. £1.49 is a really, really good price, and it isn't that price anywhere else. So sales really help. At the standard price of this, I think I'd be really, really pushing it. There are others for sure that I would definitely go to immediately. But it is nice. The colouring on it is nice, even though we're not here for the colouring. It's a great vast number of colours. So there's bound to be one that you like. And, you know, I'm going to say I quite like using it. Felt quite nice. I'd wear it. So 4.5 ladybirds out of 5. That's my review, and maybe you'll come back next week for another one. If you've hit the subscribe and the little notification bell, maybe I'll see you then. Until then, take care. Bye bye.